Hi, this is Tim Rosansky with PDQ Restoration. Today, I'm going to go over key warning signs of burst pipes and how to minimize the damage. Burst pipes can cause severe water damage, mold growth, and even sewage issues. Knowing the warning signs and acting fast can save you from costly repairs. Warning signs of burst pipes. Unusual sounds, including banging, clanging, or hissing noises, may indicate pipe damage. Low water pressure. A sudden drop in pressure could signal a leak or burst. Visible leaks, damp spots, stains, or pooling water may require immediate attention. Frost on pipes. Frozen pipes can crack, which lead to major leaks. High water bills. An unexplained spike in water usage may indicate hidden leaks. How to minimize the damage. Shut off the water. Turn off the main valve to stop flooding immediately. Call professionals. PDQ can ensure expert restoration. Remove standing water. Use pumps and dehumidifiers to dry the area. Inspect for mold and sewage. Burst pipes can lead to contamination, requiring professional remediation. Document the damage. Take photos for insurance claims. And now to prevent future burst pipes. Insulate all of your pipes, especially copper pipes. Prevent freezing in cold weather. Monitor water pressure. Avoid excessive strain on pipes. Schedule inspections on plumbers. Detect and repair minor issues before they escalate. And to conclude, burst pipes can lead to serious property damage, but quick action can minimize risks. At PDQ Restoration, we provide expert water damage restoration, and if you have any questions, please call us today.